Being joined at this moment by Mr. Dipender Hooda. He fought the election from Rohtak. Mr. Hooda, first of all, congratulations on your own victory and remarkable performance of the Congress party, not just in Haryana, sir, but all across board. 100 after 10 years for the Congress, at least that's what the numbers suggest.
Thank you. Thank you for your wishes. I'd like to thank all the people of my constituency, Rohtak Parliamentary Constituency, for showering their blessings on the Congress party and me. At the moment, I am ahead by 3,25,000 votes, and counting is still going on, so our lead may increase. I would also like to thank all the people of Haryana. We have won already 5 seats, 2 seats. Counting is going on. BJP is ahead, but we are still hoping that something may happen there at the last leg of counting. And BJP has won 3 seats. That's the situation in Haryana at the moment. So we are ahead in vote share in Haryana. We are leading on more assembly seats. Out of 90 assembly seats of Haryana, we are leading in 52 seats. We have led in 52 seats. So that just shows you what will happen in the assembly election 2-3 months down the line. Absolutely. And I'm also thankful to all the people of India for showing faith in the Congress party.
Let me ask you.
Yeah.
Let me very quickly ask you just one question about Haryana, then about the Hindi heartland, where it's been a remarkable story as far as this election is concerned. For Haryana, like you said, these are indication as far as the Vidhan Sabha election is supposed to come. It's in just 3 months from now. But for the Lok Sabha election, what are the issues that you think have clicked with the people? It was a prestige battle for you as well. You lost the last election. This was a comeback of sorts for you and for your party as well.
Absolutely. Like I said, I'm thankful to the people of my constituency. Last time, I had secured 48% votes and I lost the election by 7,000, which was the highest vote share that any opposition party candidate could secure in North India. But still, I lost the election. It was a very narrow election result. So this time, I think, the kind of margin with which people have elected me, I think I'm so thankful that I don't have words. I will always stand with my people till my last breath. I can say that. See, in Haryana, the implication is very simple. Last time, Congress's vote share was 28% in the Lok Sabha. But still, we gave a very close fight in the Vidhan Sabha, which were held 6 months later. We led only in 11 assembly segments out of 90. But still, we managed 31 seats and BJP could only manage 41 seats. This time, our vote share has jumped from 28% to 45%. And we are leading in 52 assembly segments. Already, the Saini government has lost strength in Vidhan Sabha. 3 MLAs during the course of Lok Sabha elections, they withdrew their support from the Saini government and had given their support, letter of support to Shri Bhupender Singh Hooda ji. So, and the Congress party. Okay. So you can, so Haryana, this government has already lost confidence on Vidhan Sabha, and today they have also lost confidence of the people, where more people have voted for the Congress party.
The whole Jat versus non-Jat politics that we had seen, or at least the narrative that was built. Do you think now this result, at least, and going forward in the assembly election, that puts a stop to this kind of a politics? Are you getting support from all sections of the society, not from a particular section that the BJP usually charges the Congress with?
People have voted out the politics of BJP, politics of divide and rule. BJP has sought to divide people on the based on religion, caste, language. People have in Haryana decisively voted against that politics. I myself have 9 assembly segments. Each assembly segment has different caste composition, and I'm leading from all 9. So I think the people have decided that enough is enough as far as this divide and rule cannot go on forever. People also have voted against the arrogance of BJP.
Okay.
ये भाजपा के घमंड को अपनी वोट की चोट से घमंड को तोड़ने का काम लोगों ने किया है।
जी।
भाजपा की जो है जाति धर्म की राजनीति पे वोट की चोट से प्रहार लोगों ने किया। और अगर केंद्र की बात करें, राष्ट्रीय परिप्रेक्ष्य में इसको देखें, तो मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूँ राहुल गांधी जी को, जिन्होंने अंत तक मेहनत करी। जबकि राहुल गांधी जी हमेशा, मैं आपकी व्यक्तिगत बात नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन ये जो आज मीडिया है जो कहीं ना कहीं भाजपा से प्रभावित होने का जिसपे आरोप लगता रहता है, उस भाजपा से प्रभावित मीडिया के निशाने पे रहे, लेकिन उन्होंने दिन रात मेहनत करी देश के एक छोर से दूसरे छोर तक।
Right.
वो पहुंचे और 5 साल उन्होंने न्याय की लड़ाई लड़ी। तो आज मैं समझता हूं कि राहुल जी को और कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व को बहुत-बहुत मैं बधाई भी देना चाहता हूं।
Like you're talking about the national big picture, before I let you go, the remarkable turnaround, at least for the Congress party and the opposition, has been the Hindi heartland states. If you talk about Uttar Pradesh, Haryana has also contributed to that. Though the BJP seems to be coming back with the NDA in part, are you seeing a certainty as far as the BJP is concerned with coming back to the power, or is the Congress still open to business? Is the Congress trying to form the government with these numbers as well?
See, it's a moral defeat for the BJP. आज बीजेपी की नैतिक हार हो चुकी है और मैं समझता हूं कि राजनीति तो परिस्थितियों का ही खेल है। तो क्या होगा भविष्य के गर्भ में है, ये सारे जो प्रश्न आप पूछ रहे हैं। लेकिन आज कांग्रेस की जीत हुई और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि हिंदी पूरे हार्टलैंड में सबसे अगर अच्छा प्रदर्शन रहा है तो वो हरियाणा का और उत्तर प्रदेश का प्रदर्शन रहा है। हिंदी पूरे हार्टलैंड में भाजपा से मैं समझता हूँ दोनों प्रदेशों में भाजपा से ऊपर आए हम लोग, तो ये बहुत ही शुभ संकेत है भविष्य के लिए। और मैं आपने जैसा कहा कि एक टर्न अराउंड, और टर्न अराउंड के साथ साथ मैं समझता हूँ इस बात पे भी आत्ममंथन होना चाहिए। ये एग्जिट पोल क्या था, ये जो है हमें धरातल पे जो समझ में आ रही थी वो एग्जिट पोल वालों को क्यों नहीं दिख पा रही थी।
Right.
ये भी एक प्रश्न चिन्ह लगेगा आने वाले दिनों में, मगर हमें उम्मीद है, देखिए आगे आगे देखें होता है क्या। ये नैतिक हार भाजपा की हो चुकी है।
Okay.
और अब संख्या का जो है राजनीतिक परिस्थितियों का खेल है और अब संख्या बल के आधार पर आगे बढ़ेगी चर्चा।
Mr. Hooda, thank you so much.